Welcome to Sweet Life Beet Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make carrot juice. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm carrots. Make sure they are bright orange and free of blemishes. Next, wash and scrub them well under cool, running water. You can use a vegetable brush to ensure they are perfectly clean. Finally, trim off the green tops and the root ends before moving on. Now, let's get to juicing. Cut your prepared carrots into pieces that fit easily into your juicer's feeding chute. For most juicers, this means pieces around 2 to 3 inches long. Turn on your juicer and slowly feed the carrot pieces through. The machine will separate the pulp from the delicious, vibrant juice. Collect the juice in a glass or pitcher. To enhance your carrot juice, consider adding a small piece of fresh ginger or half an apple while juicing. This can add a delightful zing or a touch of sweetness. For the best taste and nutritional benefits, enjoy your carrot juice right after it's made. If you have any left over, store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 1 day. Carrot juice is a fantastic way to boost your intake of essential nutrients, particularly vitamin A. It's a naturally sweet and incredibly refreshing drink that can be enjoyed any time of day. Making it at home ensures you get the freshest possible juice without any added sugars or preservatives. Enjoy this simple, healthy, and delicious beverage as part of your balanced diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.